How to redeem Epic Games gift card. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily redeem your Epic Games gift card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Chrome on my phone. The process is same if you use your PC. So let's begin. So open any browser and here search for Epic Games. And open this website store.epicgames.com, this first one, and here wait for the website to load. So after the website is loaded, you will see here three lines in the top right corner of the website. So tap on it, and here you have to sign in if you haven't signed in. So after signing in, here you will see your profile at the bottom here. Tap on it, and here you will see redeem code option. Tap on it, and here enter your gift card code and tap on redeem. If your gift card code is correct, your gift card will be redeemed. So this is how you can redeem Epic Games gift card. Thanks for watching.